Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about why I think everyone should be a Doordash driver. Now, I know this comes as a very controversial video after I just made a reason why you shouldn't be striking as a gig worker, but I'm going to give you guys all of the best benefits of being a Doordash driver, why I still do it even though I have 3 other fine sources of income, and for me, I still enjoy doing it, you know? It's about making the most out of it, doing it when it's hot. Like, don't waste your time doing it all day. Like, let's be real, if you're doing it all day, there's slow times, you're probably just wasting a lot of your time. But I'm going to give you guys a video of 5 reasons why you can take full advantage of this job, gig, whatever you want to call it, and take advantage of it. Number 1 is the amount of information that you can consume as a Doordash driver. Like, a lot of people don't take advantage of this, and I tell everyone, like, hey, guys, the number 1 reason why I still Doordash is because it's a way to get out of the house. It's a way to obtain new information. You're sitting in your car. You can listen to an audiobook. You can listen to an informational podcast. A lot of people just sit in their car and listen to music. I think that's a waste of time. I think the amount of information you can consume as a Doordash driver, and this is when I consume information the best, is when I can shut my brain off and I'm just delivering, you know? All I have to do is focus on delivering something, you know? And I can fully invest my time into the podcast I'm listening to, or the Audible book, whatever it is. Like, I'm just gonna go through, these are the books that I've read in the last year on Audible. It's quite the list. I mean, it's over 1 a month. High Performance Habits by Brendan Burchik. Rich Dad Poor Dad, the new 20th anniversary version. The Alchemist, book on rental properties. The book on flipping houses. YouTube Playbook 2021. Built to Sell, Your Next 5 Moves. Power versus Force, Built to Last, Leading at a Higher Level. Extreme Ownership. Elon Musk, that book sucked, by the way. Blue Ocean Strategy. Profit First, The 10X Rule, and the one I read last night, Retail Arbitrage 2019. I've listened to all those books in the past year. I can safely say I am not the same person I was a year ago because of the amount of books that I've read in this year and the amount of podcasts that I've listening to and the information that I've consumed. Like, I see people that I haven't seen in 5 years and they're like, dude, you're a different person. I'm like, yeah, I've read a lot of books. And it's because I spent a lot of time doing Doordash. Like, let's be real. The more time you spend in your car, the more it's like being in college or something, in my opinion. You know, like, you have so much time to learn. Anyways, number two, this one is also very important because I've noticed that I haven't really missed an opportunity or an event or anything in the last like 4 years since I started doing delivery driving and independent contractor stuff. It's like, I get to schedule myself. That is the number 2 reason why I think everyone should do it, you know? Like, it's at least an opportunity that you have to work whenever you want. You can literally sign in whenever and make money. If you want to go to a pool party in the afternoon, just postpone your dashes. Do them later at night. Make that money later, you know? Get that bag later in the day. But the idea that you can literally schedule yourself at any time gives you a fully flexible schedule. I absolutely love that. And that's why I've been doing it for the past 4 years. While I got my businesses going, this was the ultimate way to get enough money to get by so I could fund my entrepreneurship endeavors, whatever. Anyways, number three, I think I love this one because I love investing on myself, and that is tax write-offs. You get to write a lot of stuff off. Like, I don't know if you guys know this, but you could write off your YouTube subscription. You could write off your Spotify account. You can write off your car. You can write off your gas and all kinds of things, that anything that involves being a delivery driver. You could write off your phone bill, part of it. You can write off a lot of stuff. There's so many things that you can write off. You can write off your drinks that you got at a gas station, you know? There's so many things. If you were like on the job and you need some water or something, you go to the gas station, that's a write-off. You can write off a lot of stuff. Now, I'm not a freaking CPA. CPA? Is that the right one? I don't know. I said it wrong one time in a video. I'm not a tax person, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. But I do have videos with my tax guy. And just go ahead and watch that one, because I don't want to give any information, because I'm not a professional tax person. Anyways, but you can write off tax stuff, and that means then if you were just a normal like employee, you can't write off any of that stuff. That just comes out of your pocket. And you already taxed on your money that you made, and then you got to spend money on that, and then you got to pay taxes on that. You know, there's so many benefits of being a 1099. You can choose what you want to invest into. You get to kind of like soup yourself up, you know? You get to add some gains to your lifestyle. I don't know, maybe that's a weird analogy, but anyways. Number four is learning your area. I think it's great that, like, when I first moved to Las Vegas, I started doing Postmates right away. I didn't know where anything was. But after like 2 months, I was like pretty fluent in the area. I knew like everything. And now I know like all of the streets in Las Vegas. I know everywhere. So if you're new to your area and you want to like get to know it or something, you just want to drive around, you know, it's kind of fun learning the new area, especially when you, like for me, as soon as I moved to Las Vegas, I didn't know anywhere. And it was like, this is actually kind of fun, you know. I get to see all the nice, rich areas. You get to see where everything is. Maybe areas you don't want to go. But you get a sense of direction from just driving around. And number 5, which I think is the most important one, other than number 1, is you can use this time to build other sources of income. The thing we talk about the most on the channel. Like, in the 3-4 years, I started in 2017. It's 2020. It's almost been 5 years that I've been dashing. Well, I did Postmates in 2017, not Doordash. But anyways, I've built 3 streams of income since I started doing Postmates back in 2017. 3 other sources of income: my stunt show, my shoe company, my YouTube channel. They're all great sources of income that I've built off the back of being a delivery driver. You have so much time on your hands. Like, while you're sitting here, I'm freaking waiting for a delivery right now, and I'm talking to you guys. I'm doing my YouTube channel right now. As soon as I hang this up, I'm probably going to get back on to doing the social media, because I got some stuff to post for our footwear company. There's a lot of things, a lot of time that you have as a delivery driver where you can really utilize it and build something else in life and have more opportunities. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially if you're a delivery driver. We've gone over this a million times. I hate seeing it, but I see it all the time. People send me emails like, hey, I got deactivated. This was my only source of income. What would you suggest? I'm like, did you not watch any of the other videos? Anyways, we're gonna wrap it up today before I get too wound up over people that use only one stream of income and they're a delivery driver, you know? Anyways, don't do that. Just don't do that. Just don't do it. But what you should do is go to my footwear company at Off Axis Athletics. Use the discount code OffAxisTanner for 30% off. Get yourself some shoes. Support my business. Just do it. OffAxisAthletics.com. Anyways, we'll see you guys next one. Make sure you subscribe and also smash that like button. And let me know what topics you guys want me to talk about. And also, question of the day: what other sources of income do you guys have? Brag about it. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a teacher? Are you a grocery bagger? Or what are you? Let me know in the comments down below what else you do as other stream of income. Because it better not just be one. But if it is one, just admit it in the comments down below. And maybe that'll be the last time you have to be a sole independent gig driver. Anyways, peace, guys.